Hello and welcome. My name is Jim Knutson. I'm your Senior Strategic Account Executive for ESW, and I'm here to welcome you into the ESW family of companies. So first thing I want to do is tell you what we've done in the background. We've researched your organization, we've read the annual reports. I myself have interviewed all the key stakeholders in the organization, Charlie over in sales, Martha in marketing. We've got a sense of what your organization is about. We've read the annual reports. We know you folks put customers first. You've got a proven growth strategy and you're committed to operational efficiency. I also know you're one of Infra's first and flagship customers. So I want you to know I'm here for you and I plan on honoring that. So you're not losing that. You're still part of that intimate family. But you have a few more benefits to work with now. Now, ESW is a very large venture capital firm, but unlike most, we stick with our acquisitions. So over the years, our model has been buy, strengthen, and grow software companies. We've been doing it for 30 years. We have 76 plus acquisitions, and I can tell you that we have yet to sell one of these acquisitions. And that should tell you something in itself. We really do stick with these acquisitions. We buy them, we strengthen them, and we grow them. And that's exactly what we've done with Infra. We plan on keeping you as a customer for a very, very long time. Something you should also be aware of that separates us from the rest is that where most software companies focus around growth and profit, and then, the customer success will come. We flip that on its head. We put customer success first. And as you know, when you put customer success first, the profits will come, the growth will come, but you really need to put the customer first and their success, their corporate and strategic objectives, and the rest will flow from there. So I want you to be comfortable enough to go ahead and renew with us. We've got a solid business model. We've got literally dozens of acquisitions, as I say, 50 this year. And what that means for you is that you're going to have a much larger partner. You're going to have a much larger resource pool to draw upon and more resources to take action with. So we've built a foundation of putting customer success first, and you will remain a flagship customer with us. You can renew with confidence. So kind thanks for your time, and I look forward to working with you for many years to come.